Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today we have this very tricky math question. 4 cube divided by 8 times 2 cube divided by 16. You have 10 seconds to solve this. Your time start now. Okay, your time's up. And before solving this question, you have this bonus question. You must try to solve this. Okay, and commit your answer. So here, as we can see, we will solve with order of operation PEMDAS values. So here exponent will come first. So we will try to solve this exponent part, which is 4 cube, can be written as 4 times 4 times 4, 4 times 4, which equals to 16 times 4, and 16 times 4, which equals to 64. Simply 2 cube can be written as 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2, which equals to 4 times 2, and 4 times 2, which equals to 8. So we can simply put value 8 here and here 64. Now we will rewrite our question as like this. We have 64 again division 8 times 8 divided by 16. Now as we can see, our operation are multiplication division and division have the same priority, and in that case again left to right here. So we have to solve this division first. So we will divide first here. So this will give result 8. So we can simply write 8 times 8 divided by 16. Now in the next step we have to multiply this 8 times 8, which give result 64 here. So we will write 64 divided by 16, and 64 divided by 16 will result 4. So here right answer is 4. And try to solve this question and also all this question. And thanks for watching.